Hello students, good morning. Dear students, class 8th and your topic is on progress, that is voice. I have told you in previous class, in English voice has two types. One type is known as active voice and second type is passive voice. But in Sanskrit language, the third type is also known as imperative voice. Okay, but in English we will study only two type of voice. One is active and second is passive. Okay, in this topic I taught you first and second rules. How do we transform an active voice sentence into passive voice? How do we transform an active voice sentence into passive voice? I have taught you the two rules. One is, first of all, we change the object of active voice into the subject of passive voice. In this table, you have to change the object me into I, us into we, you into you, it into it, him into he, her into she, okay, them into they. Okay, students, in voice, the second rule is, in previous class I taught you, the second rule is, according to tense, we write helping verbs. According to tense, we write helping verbs. If helping verbs is not given in your active voice sentence, then you have to look at the main verb. If there is the first form of the main verb, then we look, if there is the first form of the main verb, then we write is or am. There is the second form of the main verb, then we write was and were. Okay, the third rule, always use third form of the main verb in passive voice. पैसिव वॉइस में हमेशा मुख्य क्रिया की थर्ड फॉर्म का प्रयोग करते हैं. ओके डियर स्टूडेंट्स, आफ्टर इट रूल नंबर 4. First rule is change the object of active voice into the subject of passive voice. But in the fourth rule, we change the subject of active voice into the object of passive voice by using by preposition. Write by and change the subject of active voice into the object of passive voice. Write by लिखिए एंड चेंज बदल दो द सब्जेक्ट कर्ता को ऑफ एक्टिव वॉइस के इनटू द ऑब्जेक्ट माने क्रम में और पैसिव वॉइस किसके पैसिव वॉइस के. ओके स्टूडेंट्स, आपने वो सारणी याद की होगी जो मैंने आपको कल बताई थी। अभी हम इसके कुछ एक्सरसाइज लेते हैं, कुछ एग्जाम्पल्स इसके लेते हैं। हाउ डू वी ट्रांसफॉर्म आई प्ले चेस। दिस इज योर सेंटेंस ऑफ एक्टिव वॉइस and we have to change it into passive. The subject, verb and object, कर्ता, क्रिया और कर्म। हेल्पिंग वर्ब इसमें नहीं दी हुई है। हेल्पिंग वर्ब इज नॉट गिवन इन दिस सेंटेंस। माय डियर स्टूडेंट्स, द फर्स्ट रूल इज चेंज द ऑब्जेक्ट इनटू द सब्जेक्ट। ऑब्जेक्ट इज चेस, you will write chess. Helping verb is not given here. If first rule is chess into chess, पहला नियम क्या है? कर्म को कर्ता बनाइए। लेकिन बच्चों, कर्म इसमें संज्ञा है तो ऐसा कैसा लिख देते हैं, क्योंकि संज्ञा कर्ता और कर्म दोनों रूप समान होते हैं। सर्वनाम अलग होते हैं। सर्वनाम या मी होता तो हम क्या लिख देते हैं? यहाँ आई। अस होता तो वी, यू होता तो यू, यू कर्ता भी होता है, कर्म भी होता है। इट होता तो इट, ऐसे ही होता है। हिम को ही में, हर को शी में, देम को दे में, यदि प्रोनाउन होते तो। लेकिन अभी क्या है? ये नाउन है। ओके, चेस। सेकेंड रूल इज वी राइट द हेल्पिंग वर्ब अकॉर्डिंग टू द टेंस, बट हेल्पिंग वर्ब इज नॉट गिवन हियर। आई टोल्ड यू, if helping verb is not given here, then you have to look at the main verb. If there is the first form of the main verb here, then you will write is or am. Chess is, chess is. If there would be the second form here, played, then you will write was. Chess was, like the chess is. Second rule has been finished. The third rule is always use third form of the main verb. हमेशा मुख्य क्रिया की थर्ड फॉर्म का प्रयोग करो। तो प्ले की थर्ड फॉर्म क्या होती है बच्चों? प्लेड। तीन नियम समाप्त हो गए। चौथा जो रूल है वो है आपका यूज बाई। राइट बाई, बाई लिखो एंड चेंज, बदल दो द सब्जेक्ट माने कर्ता को ऑफ एक्टिव वॉइस का इनटू द ऑब्जेक्ट ऑफ पैसिव वॉइस। कर्ता क्या है इसमें? आई। The subject is I, you will change it into me. Me is the object, by me. ये आपका सेंटेंस पैसिवाइज हो गया। चलिए और लेते हैं कुछ सेंटेंस। He is teaching me. वह मुझे पढ़ा रहा है। The subject is he is teaching. Verb, helping verb and main verb. And me is the object. The first rule is object is me. Change the object into the subject. First rule, change the object into the subject. Object is me, subject will be I. Okay. Second rule is write helping verb according to tense. Helping verb is here is. Helping verb is. You will write, and the first form of the main verb has ing. You will write is or am plus being. With I we use am and being. Second rule, you have to look into the second rule table. I am being. The third rule is third form. Third form of teach is taught. Taught. And fourth rule is use by. And then change he into him. Change he into him. Like the way your sentence will be. Next is one more examples. active voice. Shyam has completed this work. Shyam is the subject, has completed main verb means helping verb and main verb. Has completed verb, subject, verb and object, two types verb, helping verb and main verb. This work is the object here. So first rule is change the object into the subject. What is the subject? This work. If there would be here any pronoun like me, you will change into I, us into we, him into he, her into she, you into you, it into it, them into they, and there is noun, we write noun in place of noun. This work. Second rule is write helping verb according to tense. Here has, third is given, you will write has been. Look into the table number second. Has been. This work has been, and third form of complete is completed. Third form of complete is completed. This work has been completed. Okay dears, this work is the object. We have changed this object into the subject, this work. Second rule is has, third is given, you will write has have been, and third form is completed, you will write completed, and fourth is use by. Use by. Then change the subject into the object. What is the subject and object? Shyam. Mind it, my dear students, if there is any noun here in place of object, you will write a noun in place of subject. If there is any noun in place of subject, you will write noun in place of object. प्यारे बच्चों, कोई भी संज्ञा दी हुई होती है, उस संज्ञा का कर्ता और कर्म दोनों ही रूप एक समान होते, एक जैसे होते हैं। प्रोनाउन की तरह नहीं होते, जैसे मी का आई हो गया, ऐसे नहीं होता है। कोई नाम दिया गया तो नाम का नाम ही होता है। चलिए आप इसको कॉपी कीजिए। इसी के साथ मैं आज की क्लास से समाप्त करता हूँ एंड विश यू ए ब्राइट फ्यूचर माय डियर स्टूडेंट्स। ओके, थैंक यू।